Right, welcome back to the channel. I have actually bought the new Fire tablet. It's the 4GB of RAM version. It comes with 64GB of storage. It's just installing an update. And to be honest, physically, it seems the same, to be honest. There's no difference. I noticed it seemed a bit quicker when I was typing a few things on the screen, like passwords and that. But yeah, when it loads up, we'll see how quick it is. This is just an initial impression one. I'm not going to do a full review on it. They haven't really changed much. They say that obviously the RAM's increased, the cameras are better, and the battery's great, and that's pretty much it, to be honest. You get what you pay for it. But I actually had the older version, the Plus version, and that one was okay. I just needed a bit more RAM, and this one surely does it. Has an IPS screen, but as you can see, you turn it to the side and yeah, it'll just fade out with shimmer. You kind of need to look at it dead on, to be honest. So this is the box itself, and on the back, it's got it there. Still got the HD display by 800, which is absolutely fine for this screen size. And obviously on the back, there's that smooth textured sort of finish, which is nice. And you've got two speakers at the top, which aren't very powerful, and the Dolby Atmos is non-existent really. Headphone jack, USB-C port, power, and the volume buttons, and there's a little microphone one there. Same hexa-core processor. I don't think it's any better. The front and rear cameras have improved, but to be honest, I don't use this thing for any sort of video calling. Obviously, it's got the micro SD slot, which goes up to 1 terabyte, but I notice Fire OS keeps having a bug because I've got it on other Fire tablets where it just recognizes it and then it doesn't recognize it, and that gets a bit irritating. And obviously the long-lasting battery and Dolby Atmos, which doesn't perform like proper Dolby Atmos. But yeah, they've only put a cable. There's actually no charger plug in it. So I'll just show you over here. I mean, the charger's a good sort of £11 by itself. But I couldn't believe it. Yeah, literally just a cable. And you have to source your own plug. But hey ho, the tablet's still cheap. And then you've got your usual instruction booklet. Fire HD8. Okay, so the main thing I was interested in was this 4GB of RAM and how sort of nippy and quick it is. So I've got quite a few tabs open. I also have, well, I've got settings open, but it was the tabs really. If I had 6 or 7 on my normal Fire HD8, it would kind of just slow down a little bit. I mean, this one doesn't seem too bad, to be honest. But another interesting thing I noticed when I went into settings and checked my Fire tablet version, it seemed to say 12th generation. And the thing is, the 12th generation was actually the 2022 models. So I don't know what's going on there. Definitely was a sealed one they sent me, and it definitely seems faster. But yeah, other than that, there's no sort of real change for it, to be honest. Yeah, I mean, if I show you straight on Wikipedia, 12th generation is 2022, and my model seems to be coming up 12th generation. Now, I did actually look on my devices, and it's registered as a new Fire tablet, 2024 release, but it's 12th generation for some reason. So that would make sense in the sense that it's the same thing really. It's just got more. Yeah, here it is here. Quite bizarre really. 12th generation. This is the first time I've seen them. Normally they matched up the year with the generation, but so this should have been the 14th generation really, but it's ended up being the 12th generation 2024 release. Yeah, I mean, you've got years of updates. In terms of main competitors, the Samsung Galaxy A9 probably comes to mind, but this has got a better screen than that. Honestly, if you're not bothered about a full version of Android, I'd end up going for this one. Lenovo M9, you're not going to get much updates out of that. But yeah, this is just a sort of quick look at it. And again, it's just a RAM I was after. And yeah, let me know if you are interested in a full review of this. I can definitely do it. But yeah, it's a cheap device. You get what you pay for. And it's not bad for the price. They've got a bit of a sale on because of the Prime Days here in the UK. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. Like and subscribe. And until next time.